4:30 now. We've just come off the main trail over there and we're coming to this woodland here. This is like a nature, is it a nature reserve?
Yeah.
So,
Sheep.
what?
Sheep.
Yeah, that's why there's sheep shit all over here, look. So what we're going to do now is just try and camp up out the way a little bit. This yellow jacket that I've on just gives myself away too much. There's some boat houses over here. I might have a little wander that way, just have a look. But yeah, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. At least the bags are off our back here, baby. We'll be alright. You know, like if we're here, at the side of this tree, you listen, if we're here, yeah, the branches will fall down and land on there. But look, all these trees are facing that way, so they will blow that way. Because the wind comes. I think we'll camp here. Just out the way there, innit? From them big trees. We'll be alright, we could even go on that side. I'll just have a quick look around anyway, eh? I'll have a quick mooch. Oh. Definitely not having a fire tonight, guys. Hell no. Right, nice looking little beach down there as well. Oh, it has.